Hello, I am Sanjay Wagulde. I am one of the founding director of the Smart Thermotech Pvt Limited. Welcome to TLC Expo. I will explain you about our new innovative product, casting surface defect repairing system. Whenever there are certain defects appeared in a casting like blowholes or pinholes or shrinkage, those defects are painful area for the foundry industry and they have to reject the casting for those particular defects. So in order to salvage, this particular machine helps them to great extent. The technology is electrofusion technology. Here, your casting remains cold while doing the process. So you can salvage the casting very easily by keeping the microstructure, tensile strength, hardness same as original. Smart Thermotech Pvt Limited is a Pune-based company. We are pioneered many metallurgical equipments in India, and we are the leading manufacturer of all these products which are helping the foundry industry and steel plant industry for molten metal measurement and process control systems.